A water sensor protects you against one of the most common and expensive home insurance claims, flood damage. Home flooding is usually caused by major appliances, plumbing problems, or leaky roofs. The key to minimizing a problem is recognizing it early, and that's where our water sensor comes in. A water sensor triggers an audible alarm whenever it comes into contact with water, so you know you have issues before it becomes a major problem. With a SimpliSafe monitoring plan, we'll also call you or send an SMS and email alert when a water sensor triggers an alarm. So even if you're not home, you're protected from damage. To install a water sensor, you just place it on the ground near appliances, major plumbing, or in the attic to detect a leaky roof. Advanced home security, 24/7 professional monitoring for less than $1 a day. There's no safe like SimpliSafe.